Hey guys, let's install Unity. Firstly, open up a browser and search for download Unity. I don't think you have to put Unity3D anymore, just Unity, and you should find it. That's your first option. Make sure it's unity3d.com. Get Unity, download is in my URL over here, and select download Unity Hub. Unity Hub is the preferred way of working with Unity, so make sure you choose that. You might have some unnecessary issues if you just choose vanilla Unity and try to install it. Let's just install it quickly. Okay, so this initial install will be quite quick. I'm going to install it to my D drive. You know where you want to install yours to. The main installation will happen through Unity Hub. I'm just gonna leave run Unity Hub checked. Click on finish. And we're ready to go. Okay, so you'll see license activation. There's no license. Okay, I'm just gonna dismiss this little message at the bottom. Let's go manage license. Let's be logged in. Let's log in. Unity Hub sign in. Okay, so if this is the first time you install Unity, you'll just need to go and register. Okay, so I've already got an ID, so I'm going to sign in. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Otherwise, you can just register. That's a long password. Always make sure you guys choose long passwords. Okay. Verification ID. Okay, and then that will just sign me into Unity. Okay, so I'm gonna say activate new license. You're gonna go for Unity Personal. Okay, and I'm going to say the company or organization I represent earns less than $100,000 a year. Okay, click done. If you don't choose in the personal capacity, then just choose the second option there. Sorry. Okay, so that's that, and I'm gonna go to general. Unity editors folder. This is where we want our Unity installations to be installed. So I'm just going to create a directory here in my D drive, and I'm going to select program files, and I'm going to create a new directory called Unity, and select it. Select folder, save. Language English. Okay, that's that. Okay, so that's set up, and I'm gonna go back to preferences, projects. Yours should be empty as mine is, so I'm just gonna leave this as is. Learn community installs is where I want to go. So you don't have Unity installed yet, so I'm gonna click add, and under latest official releases, select the top option, which is 2019.3.5.f1, and then select next. Okay, I do some Android development, so I'm going to select Android with Android build support, and I'm gonna select WebGL build support in Universal Windows Platform build support, because I usually do some development for those platforms. You can pretty much get away with just selecting Universal Windows Platform build support. Unless you want to do mobile game development, then you'll select Android and iOS as well. Okay, I just focus on Android, so that's all I have selected there. Okay, Visual Studio is the IDE that comes installed with Unity these days. So select that. You can go and review the license terms and conditions, and yeah, just select that you have read and agree with the terms and conditions if you do. So like everybody does. Okay, here we have our installation happening. It'll pop up this little window. This little blue, tiny little blue bar here is the progress bar. So let's wait for that to finish, and then I'll continue the video from there. Select, yeah, 3D project, leave it on 3D project. And let's call it, I'm just going to call it test. And choose where you want to save your project. I'm just creating a folder for me called Unity Projects. I'm going to select that, so all Unity projects, so it will create a test directory in Unity Projects. Cool, it is starting up. It's got quite a bit to set up, so don't be despondent about it taking a bit long the first time. It will only take this long the first time you start Unity up. So once again, I think I'm just going to skip ahead until it starts up. Great, we've got Unity installed and running. So next thing I want you guys to do is just test that your Unity actually works fine on your PC. You know, it might start up but not be workable given the current hardware that you have. So what I want to do is just click on Window and go to Asset Store. Asset Store is absolutely great. You can get models, you can get music, sound effects, full-on games, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to download a test game just to test out my installation. And what was it? There was a nice tank game, tank something. Okay. We're going to find it again. Ah, here's it. Tanks tutorial. This one over here with the little tiny tank, green tank next to this nice logo. Very nice little screen there. So let's click on that. And we want to import it. This is free. So a lot of stuff on these, a lot of the better assets you'll have to pay for, but you do come across some gems that are for free. This is free, so let's download this. Going to download and import it. Okay, you'll see after. Sorry, I'm just going to cancel. After you've downloaded, the download button will change to import. Just click on import. Click on import again. The Unity package has package manager dependencies. Okay, here you'll want to install and upgrade. Install or upgrade. Great, the initial import has worked. Now we need to bring all those files into our project, which will require us hitting import yet again. So hit an import there, And this is going to take a while again. And just skip ahead. Okay, we have it downloaded. So what we want to do next is come down into your project view, this little window in your bottom left hand corner. I'm just going to expand it a bit. Go to prefabs and not prefabs. Let's find, where is this? Here we go. So it's just under assets directly, and double click completed. What is this? I'm just going to zoom out here. Use complete game, and you'll double click that, and then you're ready to test. Okay, if you zoom out, you can see it's a nice little level here. Let's click on play at the top middle. Here we go. Let's see now. WASD is for the blue tank space. Oh, there's a bit of a glitch there. Don't know if you noticed that. Okay, this seems to be running fine. The red tank is controlled with the arrow keys. And let's see. Enter is to shoot. Cool, I don't notice any lag. So if yours is running as fine as me, quite smoothly, then this is great. This is a nice good start for the kind of games that we are going to start making, which is real casual games. And I will look forward to getting you guys started in Unity. I will see you guys soon. Enjoy.